Imagine warriors who could march for miles without stopping, fight brutal battles face to face, and still have the strength to carry heavy armor all day. Their bodies looked powerful, solid, almost carved from stone. Now here is the surprising part. They never touched a barbell. They never stepped inside a gym. They had no machines, no supplements, and no modern training equipment. Yet their strength, endurance, and conditioning were extraordinary. These warriors were the Spartans. So the question is simple. How did they build such powerful bodies without the exercises that most people today believe are essential for muscle growth? Here is something that might sound strange at first. Some of the exercises people believe are the best for building muscle, like heavy back squats, bench presses, and bent-over rows, are not always the smartest option for your body. In fact, when done for years, they can put enormous stress on your joints. The Spartans followed a completely different approach. Their training focused on movements that created huge muscular tension while protecting the joints. Movements that use the body as the resistance. And today, science is actually confirming why those methods worked so well. In this video, I'm going to show you 6 powerful exercises based on those same principles. No barbells. No complicated equipment. Just movements that create intense muscle activation, stimulate growth, and reduce unnecessary joint stress. And here's something interesting. One of these exercises has been shown in studies to activate the triceps as much as, or even more than, the close grip bench press. Most people completely overlook it. But before we reveal that, let's understand something important. When most people think about muscle growth, they focus on one thing, lifting heavier weights. But research shows the real driver of muscle growth is muscle tension, especially when the muscle is stretched under load through a full range of motion. And the exercises that create this type of tension don't always require heavy barbells. Let's start with one of the most powerful bodyweight movements ever created. Pull-ups. Most people think pull-ups are simply a back exercise, but when performed properly, they recruit far more than that. Your lats, upper back, biceps, rear delts, forearms, and even your core all work together to lift your entire body weight. This kind of full-body coordination is something machines simply cannot replicate. On a lat pull-down machine, the path of movement is fixed. Stabilizer muscles do very little work. But with pull-ups, your entire upper body must stabilize and generate force at the same time. This is one reason why people who can perform many clean pull-ups often have impressive upper body development. To perform them correctly, grip the bar slightly wider than shoulder width. Start from a full hang. Pull your chest toward the bar, not just your chin. Pause briefly at the top. Then lower yourself slowly and under control. If you cannot perform a full pull-up yet, begin with dead hangs and slow negatives. Jump up to the top position and lower yourself slowly. Over time, strength will build. Once you can perform around 10 solid repetitions, adding a weighted vest can increase the challenge even more. Now let's talk about another pulling movement that many people ignore. Inverted rows. While pull-ups train vertical pulling, inverted rows train horizontal pulling, which is critical for shoulder health and posture. Think about the average workout routine: push-ups, bench press, overhead pressing, lots of pushing movements, but not enough pulling. When this imbalance happens, the muscles that stabilize your shoulders become weak. Posture begins to collapse forward, and shoulder pain often follows. Inverted rows correct this problem. They train the mid-back, rhomboids, rear delts, and traps through a natural range of motion. Unlike heavy bent-over barbell rows, they place almost no stress on the lower back. You can perform them using suspension straps, a low bar, or even a sturdy table. Keep your body straight from head to heels. Pull your chest toward the bar and squeeze your shoulder blades together. Pause briefly, then lower slowly. 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions is a great starting point. Now remember the exercise I mentioned earlier. The one that rivals the close grip bench press for triceps development? That exercise is dips. When performed correctly, dips are an incredible upper body builder. They target the chest, shoulders, and triceps while moving your entire body through space. But dips get a bad reputation because many people perform them incorrectly. The key is maintaining proper shoulder positioning. Keep your shoulder blades pulled down and back throughout the movement. Lower yourself until your upper arms are roughly parallel with the floor. Pause briefly, then press back up. If full dips are too challenging, Begin with bench dips to build strength first. As your strength improves, you can progress to parallel bar dips and eventually add extra resistance. Now let's move to pushing movements. Standard push-ups are great for beginners, but once you can perform 20 clean repetitions, they often stop stimulating significant muscle growth. This is where feet-elevated push-ups become powerful. Elevating the feet shifts more body weight onto the upper chest and shoulders while increasing the overall difficulty. It also allows a deeper stretch at the bottom of the movement. And research shows that muscles trained in a stretched position often experience greater growth. Place your feet on a bench or box. Keep your body straight. Lower slowly and push back up with control. 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions works very well here. Now let's talk about legs. Many people believe heavy barbell squats are the only way to build strong legs. But there is another movement that can build incredible lower body strength without loading the spine. The Bulgarian split squat. This single leg exercise targets the quads and glutes while improving balance and mobility. Because each leg works independently, it exposes weaknesses and imbalances that traditional squats often hide. Stand a couple of feet in front of a bench. Place one foot behind you on the bench. Lower your back knee toward the floor slowly. Then push through your front heel to stand back up. Even with just body weight, this exercise can feel extremely challenging. 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps per leg is more than enough to feel the burn. Finally, let's talk about the posterior chain. Your hamstrings, glutes, and lower back muscles are responsible for power, speed, and stability. But many training programs neglect them. One of the best exercises to strengthen this area is the single-leg Romanian deadlift. Unlike the traditional deadlift, this variation trains balance and stability while reducing spinal loading. Stand on one leg with a slight bend in the knee. Hold a weight in the opposite hand. Hinge at the hips while allowing your free leg to extend behind you. Lower slowly until you feel a deep stretch in the hamstrings. Then drive your hips forward and return to standing. Control is extremely important here. 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 10 reps per leg works perfectly. So let's recap. Pull-ups build powerful upper backs. Inverted rows improve posture and shoulder strength. Dips develop the chest, shoulders, and triceps. Feet-elevated push-ups increase chest activation. Bulgarian split squats strengthen the legs. And single-leg Romanian deadlifts build the entire posterior chain. Train these movements 2 or 3 times each week. Focus on perfect form, gradually increase repetitions or resistance, and stay consistent. Over time, these 6 exercises can build incredible strength, muscle, and resilience without relying on heavy machines or excessive joint stress. Sometimes the most powerful training methods are the simplest ones, and the warriors of the past understood that better than anyone.